Mama, nung World Youth Day, 1995, meron silang kaming joyful song na kinakanta. Tapos first time ko tong natutunan doon nung 15 years old ako. Ayan yun, mama. Yan. Shine Jesus, shine. Pati yung action. Iba yung action niya eh. Iba yung action ng iba po. Mas gusto ko yung action nung 1995, nung World Youth Day na Pope Saint John Paul II na nasa dito siya sa Pilipinas na yan mama. Favorite ko yan. Isa yan sa favorite ko.
Ano yan?
Kakantahin to na yan, ha?
Oo.
Lord, the light of your love is shining in the midst of the darkness shining. Jesus, light of the world, shine upon us. Set us free by the truth you now bring us. Shine on me. Shine on me. Shine, Jesus, shine. Fill this land with the Father's glory. Blaze, Spirit blaze. Set our hearts on fire. Flow, river flow. Flood the nations with grace and mercy. Send forth your word, Lord, and let there be light. Lord, I come to your awesome presence, from the shadows into your radiance. By the blood I may enter your brightness. Search me, try me, consume all my darkness. Shine on me. Shine on